Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to appeal permanent ban on Roblox. So if you also want to appeal permanent ban on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you violate any community guidelines, your account on Roblox might have to face permanent ban. In that case, you might have to appeal for your account. So in order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in roblox.com/support. Press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the contact us interface of Roblox. Over here you'll have to select your date of birth. Simply select the month, day and year over here. Now after you select the date of birth, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to contact the Roblox. For that what you have to do is enter this information that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all what you have to do is enter your username. This is completely optional, but if you want to enter the username, simply go ahead and enter the username over here. Now after that what you have to do is enter your first name. So simply enter your first name over here. Now after that you'll have to enter the email address. So simply click on the field of email address. Now provide your email address over here. Now what you have to do is confirm your email address. So simply click on the field of confirm email address. After that what you have to do is re-enter the email address over here. Now after that you can see over here you'll have to provide the issue details. So before proceeding you must keep in mind that you must submit the appeal within 30 days of being banned. If it is over 30 days, unfortunately you will not be able to appeal for your permanent ban. So simply select the issue over here. First of all what you have to do is select the device that you're having problem on. Simply click on this field. After that you'll be able to select the device. Now after that what you have to do is select the help category. Simply click on this field. Now over here what you have to do is click on the option moderation. Now again you'll be able to find the field for please select over here. Simply click on it. Now after that you'll be able to find several options over here. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now after that what you have to do is enter the description of the issue. Simply click on this box. Now you'll have to describe the issue that you're facing. Now you can see over here I've entered the description of my issue. You can also enter the description like this. You'll also be able to see the reason for your permanent ban on the account on the ban note. So you can also enter the reason over here and you can see that that reason is invalid. Now after that what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the request has been received. Simply click on the OK option. You must keep in mind once an appeal has been submitted and reviewed, you cannot send another appeal for the same incident. So simply exercise your patience. Your request will be reviewed. After the review has been completed, the permanent ban on your account might be lifted. You'll be communicated through your email. So like this, you'll be able to appeal for permanent ban on Roblox. So that is how you appeal permanent ban on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.